Moon Palace Jamaica Resort, located in Ocho Rios, is a luxury all-inclusive resort that strives to offer guests an unparalleled Jamaican holiday experience. However, various traveler reviews suggest the resort may fall short in delivering its promised five-star experience. From customer service to facility maintenance, food quality, and entertainment, certain elements of the resort appear to leave guests unsatisfied. An aspect that seemed to be a recurring issue in the reviews is the customer service. Many travelers shared their experiences of delayed check-ins and out, with some highlighting that their rooms were not ready upon arrival. Such instances often resulted in extended waiting times, diminishing the overall welcoming experience. In addition, communication issues between the staff and guests appeared common, leading to confusion over reservations, billings, and general requests. While the resort promotes its rooms as luxurious and comfortable, a number of travelers expressed dissatisfaction with their accommodations. Reports of insufficient cleanliness, malfunctioning amenities, and in some cases, issues such as dampness or unwanted odors were made. Some guests also pointed out that the rooms and their furnishings showed signs of wear and tear, indicating a need for refurbishment or better maintenance. The food quality and diversity seem to be another area where Moon Palace Jamaica Resort falls short. The resort boasts of a variety of restaurants offering international cuisines, but many guests felt the food was mediocre and repetitive. Additionally, complaints about limited availability of a la carte dining options and long wait times at restaurants were commonly mentioned. Guests also noted that the drinks, particularly at the bars, lacked consistency and quality. Travelers had mixed opinions regarding the on-site entertainment and activities. While some guests appreciated the variety of activities offered, others felt the entertainment was lackluster and failed to cater to different age groups effectively. Several families with children felt the kids' club was under-equipped and its programs were uninteresting. Furthermore, some travelers complained about the limited availability of water sports and other advertised amenities. The resort spa and wellness facilities were mentioned by a number of guests, but not always in a positive light. Issues such as unavailability of appointments, overcrowding, and high costs were frequent grievances. Guests also mentioned a lack of relaxation areas within the spa, affecting the overall tranquility and rejuvenating experience one expects. A number of guests reported issues with the booking and billing process. Some guests indicated discrepancies between the services promised during the booking process and what was actually provided during their stay. Instances of unexpected charges and billing errors were also reported. It appears that clearer communication and transparency in the resort's billing procedures are necessary to ensure guest satisfaction. Lastly, a common thread in reviews was the general upkeep and maintenance of the resort. From the cleanliness of public areas like pools and bathrooms to the condition of landscaping and beach areas, many guests felt the resort didn't live up to their expectations. Notably, guests commented on the seaweed issue on the beach, which they felt was not adequately addressed by the resort staff. Despite these issues, it's important to note that every traveler's experience is unique, and what may be a point of dissatisfaction for some may not hold true for all. Moon Palace Jamaica Resort certainly has the potential to be a truly luxurious and enjoyable holiday destination, but addressing these recurring issues would be a crucial step towards achieving that.